Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tech aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, a lineup of 10 cool tools in 2024 that are bound to make your work easier and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, these tools are sure to level up your game. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list.
Number 1. The Pyburn V4.0 Laser Rotary Attachment with mag feet for X and MX is a cutting-edge addition to the world of laser engraving, offering a seamless integration with Laguna SmartShop X and MX laser machines. Priced at $923, this rotary attachment is designed to provide users with a superior and precise laser engraving experience, particularly in scenarios involving rotating objects. At the heart of the Pyburn V4 is its innovative roller rotary design, meticulously crafted to simplify the engraving process and enhance accuracy. This feature makes it an ideal companion for a diverse range of objects, including tumblers, mugs, and wine glasses. The Pyburn V4 is not just a rotary attachment, it's a tool designed to enhance your workflow. The magnetic feet, in particular, contribute to stable and precise engraving, making it an invaluable asset for professionals and hobbyists alike. Priced at $923, the Pyburn V4.0 Laser Rotary Attachment with mag feet for X and MX is a worthwhile investment for those seeking a superior laser engraving experience. Its innovative design, featuring adjustable rollers, a secure clamping system, and magnetic feet, sets it apart in terms of stability, precision, and versatility. Whether you're engraving glassware or cylindrical objects, the Pyburn V4 ensures a seamless and accurate process, elevating your craftsmanship to new heights. Number 2. The JIADING Professional 1600-Watt Hot Air Gun, priced at $139, is a versatile and reliable tool for various applications. With a voltage of 120 volts, 50 Hz, and a powerful 1600 watt, it offers an adjustable temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 1290 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius. Designed for durability, it features a heating tube protection system, ensuring safe and controlled operation. The long lifetime of the tool adds to its reliability over extended periods of use. Included accessories, such as wide slot nozzles, a silicone pressure roller, and a heating element, enhance its usability. Ideal for tasks like plastic welding and paint removal, the JIADING Hot Air Gun combines precision and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to both professional and DIY toolkits. Number 3. The Automatic Shoe Cover Dispenser with 200 pieces disposable plastic shoe cover, priced at $35.99, is a quality-built and efficient solution for maintaining cleanliness in various settings. Crafted with precision, its T-buckles ensure easy installation and long-lasting performance. The thickened ABS material and mechanical springs guarantee durability, while the anti-slip pad ensures stability during use. User-friendly setup is a highlight. Installation is simple, and a gentle step on the pedal releases the shoe cover instantly, providing a time-saving and effortless experience. With the capacity to hold 30 covers, this dispenser is ideal for groups, accommodating 15 individuals without the need for manual refilling, making it perfect for events and gatherings. Cost-effective and efficient, this shoe cover machine operates without power, swiftly setting a cover in just a second. It offers a convenient alternative to bending down and changing shoes, maintaining a clean environment effortlessly. Versatile across settings, it adapts to homes, offices, museums, and more. The package includes 200 disposable shoe covers, ensuring reliable waterproof, dustproof, and breathable protection for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 4. The Kaka Industrial SBG40 Heavy-Duty Universal Bender, priced at $327.99, stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for metal shaping. With an impressive capacity of 28.5 tons per square inch, this bender is designed to shape a variety of materials including steel, iron, wrought iron, brass, copper, and aluminum. Its exceptional ornamental capabilities make it an outstanding choice for creating intricate designs such as fences, gates, railings, and more. The bender's unique combination of scroll bending, radius bending, and angle bending features provides maximum functionality, allowing users to achieve a wide range of shapes and designs. Safety is a top priority with the Kaka Industrial SBG40, as evidenced by its wide base design. This ensures stability during operation, reducing the risk of unexpected accidents. Additionally, the bender's ability to shape various materials adds to its versatility, making it a reliable tool for a multitude of metalworking projects. Priced competitively at $327.99, this heavy-duty universal bender delivers both performance and safety for professional and DIY metalworkers alike. Number 5. The Nutri Automatic Rebar Tie Gun Pro 7, priced at $325.90, is a game-changer in the construction industry, offering remarkable efficiency and power. With an impressive tying speed of 38 to 42 knots per minute, completing each knot in just 0.8 seconds, this tool can replace the work of 3 to 4 laborers, significantly saving time and energy while boosting overall productivity. It's essential to conduct a knot test after installing the coil for the first time to ensure proper functionality. Powered by a robust 2000 mAh battery that charges fully in just 2 hours, the rebar tie gun ensures extended periods of use without constant recharging. Equipped with 2 batteries, each capable of handling up to 3000 knots, the machine enables uninterrupted operation. Switch to the second battery while the first one charges. Featuring a 9-gear adjustable strapping system, the tool provides maximum flexibility and control over tying power, accommodating various applications. The transparent head shell allows for convenient checks on wire passage and internal parts, ensuring smooth operation. This design not only enhances visibility but also adds a sleek and modern touch to the machine. The Nutri Automatic Rebar Tie Gun Pro 7 is a powerful, efficient, and well-designed tool for professionals in the construction field. Number 6. The Workeez Diamond Hole Saw Set, priced at $28.79. A practical 17 pieces, is a robust kit designed for precise hole drilling in diverse materials. Crafted with diamond-integrated steel, the 15 sturdy hole saws feature a corrosion-resistant electroplating surface and thickened diamond coating for excellent cutting strength. Water lubrication is recommended to extend their service life. The double-suction jig fixture, more powerful than single counterparts, firmly attaches to smooth surfaces and offers adjustable hole saw sizes from 4 mm to 83 mm. Operating with ease, the kit follows 4 simple steps: marking hole points, setting up the hole saw, locking position, and starting drilling. Complete with 15 diamond hole saws, a double suction cup ceramic tile holes locator, a debris cleaning screwdriver, and a user manual guide, this kit caters to various drilling needs. Ideal for materials like tiles, ceramic, glass, marble, granite, and terrazzo, the Workeez Diamond Hole Saw Set is an efficient choice, especially with its unique double suction cup design, enhancing overall work efficiency. Number 7. Priced at $45.95, the hand-press heavy-duty eyelet grommet machine punch toolkit is a versatile and durable solution for a myriad of applications, from clothing repair to leatherwork and banner making. Its heavy-duty construction ensures longevity under frequent use, making it a reliable addition to any workspace. The complete kit includes 500 number 0, number 2, and number 4 grommets, along with 3 die sets in varying sizes to meet diverse needs. Crafted from high-quality materials, this eyelet machine is made of durable iron treated for anti-rust protection, safeguarding it from corrosion. Its user-friendly design, with a simple lever operation similar to a stapler, allows for tabletop mounting or standalone use, offering flexibility in various workspaces. The efficient and ergonomic design of the eyelet grommet dies press machine streamlines the grommet setting process, saving time and enhancing productivity. For an affordable $45.95, this kit provides a reliable, easy-to-use solution for precise grommet placement in a wide range of materials. Number 8. Priced at $486, the CS Unitech Electric Paint Stripper, EOF 100, is a powerhouse designed for efficiency and operator comfort. Surpassing traditional power sanders, it's up to 5 times faster with reduced vibration, a soft start, and ergonomic handles, ensuring increased comfort during operation. This lightweight yet heavy-duty professional planer tackles a broad spectrum of surfaces, swiftly removing varnish, paint, graffiti, latex, resins, coatings, solids, greasy dirt, sprays, and more. Its versatility extends to use on wood, concrete, metal, aircraft, boats, decks, siding, walls, and beyond. Notably, its low clearance feature allows precision right to the edge. Equipped with a dust extraction port, the EOF 100 contributes to a healthier workspace by reducing exposure to odors and hazardous chemicals when used with a dust extraction vacuum. The tool not only prioritizes speed and efficacy but also ensures operator well-being and versatility across various surfaces. Number 9. The Yuwa 926 360-watt LED display soldering iron station kit, priced at $49.99, offers a professional and user-friendly solution for various soldering tasks. With fast heating capabilities and an adjustable temperature range, 194 to 896, 90 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, this digital soldering station ensures efficiency and precision. It complies with all standard US, emphasizing safety in electric appliances. The space-saving design combines the soldering station and soldering iron stand, featuring a user-centric mesh protector to prevent accidental contact with the soldering iron. The mesh also serves as a storage space for tips, optimizing worktop space. Incorporating useful technologies like Clear Degree C, Degree F digital display, sleep mode with adjustable timer, temperature calibration, and PID heat control, the soldering station caters to a range of user needs. The intuitive single knob design simplifies temperature adjustments and settings. The kit includes 15 essential accessories, such as 2 helping hands with alligator clips, 6 different solder tips, lead-free solder, solder wire bracket, tweezer, solder sucker, blue sponge, user manual, and a spanner for detaching the helping hands. From new players to skilled experts, the Yuwa 926 3 kit provides a comprehensive and efficient solution for soldering tasks. Number 10. The Router Lift for 65mm Universal Trimming Machine, priced at $35.99, stands out as a practical and durable tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Its unique design allows users to create a router worktable for highly precise woodworking. The ring clamping motor ensures a firm and stable grip, preventing accidental detachment and facilitating easy installation and operation. Constructed with durability in mind, the main body of the router lift base is made of aluminum alloy, while the support rod is crafted from stainless steel. This combination provides high strength and resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting tool. With a lifting height of up to 51mm and support for machine diameters ranging from 64mm to 66mm, this router lift base allows for easy and accurate adjustment of the router bit height from above the desktop. Versatile in its application, it can be used with a router insert plate and is suitable for work tables, woodworking, inverted electric wood milling, small trimming machines, and more. Priced affordably at $35.99, this router lift base is a practical addition for woodworking projects of varying scales.